Okay, let's try this all over again. Obviously, I'm not wearing a parachute. I couldn't fit in this airplane with a parachute. Alright, we did a left mag check. Got a good drop. Got a right mag check. Got a good drop. About 80. Good difference between them. We're gonna reduce the RPM, make sure that there's oil in the prop and it doesn't look like it. There we go. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango taking runway 30 for high-speed taxi. We'll wait for the Saratoga to clear before continuing. Tracy.
Tracy traffic, Saratoga 182, clear on runway.
We've done the requisite run-in runs, including extended full-power static tests. But I wanted to do a high-speed taxi one time because of what happened last time I tried to fly it. I was nearly at takeoff speed well before the 2,000 foot halfway down the runway.
And Tracy traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, clear runway 30, Tracy.
And Tracy traffic, the aircraft behind us on the taxiway. We're not in a hurry, we're going to pull in the run up for a second.
Thanks for that. I'm going to take off and stay in the pattern or climb above the pattern right after this.
Okay, you're welcome, no problem.
Final's clear. Runway's clear. Tracy traffic, Centurion 503 Alpha Tango, taking runway 30 for left closed traffic, climbing above the airport for break-in run. Tracy. 20 degrees of flaps. Lights, camera. All the lights are on, cameras are on. More right rudder. Airspeed's alive. That's yellow. Feet. 600 feet. Tracy traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, left crosswind 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, left downwind 30, Tracy. Tracy traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango, left base at 1,500, overflying the field. Tracy traffic.
After I took off, I flew in a box pattern to climb over the airport. I continued to fly in a loose square at 3,000 feet around the airport environment for about 20 minutes when...
Earth to Edward, Earth to Edward.
Julius.
How's it going?
Peachy.
Bunker factor come down a bit?
A little bit. I'm still kind of worried about it.
Okay, hang in there, we're all out here watching you.
Where's the altitude?
Tracy Base to Edward, all okay?
Hey, firm.
Cool. Sounds good.
Oh, it's still nerve-wracking. But the temperatures are starting to come down. They're starting to even out. We're burning 21 gallons an hour right now.
After about 35 minutes, I was getting tired of the scenery and a little bit dizzy circling over the airport at 3,000 feet. So I decided to head southeast along the freeway just for a change of scenery and to continue to run in the engine for its break-in flight. I flew down to Crow's Landing, turned around and came back. Twice. With those 2 laps and the 9 laps around the airport at 3,000 feet, I spent 1.1 hours in the air, and it was time to land and check things out. There are a few minor things that need tweaking, and I need to get used to flying this bird under power again. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your support and comments. I do try and read them all, and it's greatly appreciated. Be sure to click that like and subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications.
Tracy traffic, Centurion 3 Alpha Tango clear, runway 30.